Yo, it's your boy, He That Trades. So it's currently the 20th of March 2026. It's a Friday and it's about 10 minutes to 11. So yeah, it's about to be the weekend and then I'm busy the weekend as well. But anyway, uh, yeah, I'm in the office just making some notes over here, pros and cons. Yeah, so I took a loss on my code funded trader account, the live account. So I was up $24 from the initial funded account. So they gave me $10,000. I was up $24 and then I lost $32. So now I'm down $8 from the initial starting point. So my account is at $9,992 dollars. So it's a bummer. It's a bummer because today is the 20th. It's also excuse me. It's also my withdrawal. What's that thing? Withdrawal calendar, right? So every 14 days, you're able to withdraw your profits from the platform. So because I'm in drawdown, excuse me, I can't. Damn, yo, got hiccups. So because I'm in drawdown, I can't end up placing a draw. So it's some fuck shit. But yeah, man. So without further ado, let me just go into my phone and screen record so that I can show you guys that I'm not just talking a bunch of bullshit. That was so that I can show you guys every single thing that I'm saying, because there's a lack of transparency, right? People be saying, "Oh, you're a trader, so why don't you have this? Why don't you have this? If you have this amount of money, why don't you do this?" Well, the reason why I don't do that is because in trading, in order for you to make that amount of money, you need to be making that amount of money, right? You get what I'm saying? So most of your traders that you see on the internet, they're not making money from trading. They're making money from the business side of trading. You get what I'm saying? So the business side of trading is the signals, the mentorship programs, the courses, the one-on-one mentorships, all these things that you pay for, that you can literally get for free on the internet. Those things that you pay for, that's what they live off of. You get what I'm saying? Because if they charge, let's say, just out of the blue, 300 Rand for monthly signals, all they need is 10 people and they got 3,000 Rand a month. If they have 100 people, then I have 30,000 Rand a month. You get what I'm saying? And that's just the monthly signals. And then all of a sudden, they're going to have um, weekly signals, and then they also have a course, and then they have one-on-one mentorships that cost 7,000. You get what I'm saying? So those people make money from the business side of forex. They don't make money from actual trading. So I have a business, right? I have my own business, right? I have my own business. I'm currently business, yeah, and trading, yeah, well, and I'm still not where I need to be. You get what I'm saying? So I'm not providing no signals. I'm not selling no courses. I'm not doing the business side of forex because I don't want to live off of other people's money. I want to make money from the charts and be like, all right, cool. I'm gonna clock at 3,000. What do I do? Find a setup on the chart, trade it, withdraw it. 30 is the day near. Yeah, well. So yeah, man. But anyway, without further ado, let me just jump into the charts. Alright, so let's dive right in. So I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. Look at this. They say gold will surge again. That's proper. All right, so let me dive into my account and show you guys. I'll go to you. How's it looking like? So as you can see, remember I had $24 profit. Let me show you what happened. Ended up taking a loss, bro. Yo, that loss, absolutely. As you can see, it's a live account, and then this one, right, says that it's a phase one, right? It says phase one, right? This one says live account. Yeah, well, this one says live account. My profit split is 80%, right? So the initial account starting balance, the leverage 1 to 50, broker type, MT5, login. There, my win rate 62%. I placed 8 trades in total, and my average risk to reward is 0.5, which is on par with what I want. All right, so cool. Let me show you all the. Let me just do my stats. All right, let me do my stats. Let me go down to the month. So as you can see, I took $3 there loss. Then I made $5 there on Sunday, which makes this week a green week. Then over here, I lost $2. I made $14 profit. I lost $2, so I made $12 profit. So this is a green week. So green week, and it looks like this week is gonna be a red week. Yeah, well, because I took a $21 loss over here. Yeah, well, so I took a $21 loss there, which is the reason why now when I go to my payout section, I now am in drawdown. So I can't withdraw this. I need to be able to make more money. And my next payout was on the 14th. So I need to be able to make profit. Anything above my initial starting balance, that's what I'll get to keep. So let me go to the MT5 account and showcase to you. As you can see, here it is. Gold funded trader, Tabiso Chabalala, live account. And let me show you. So let me show you guys, when was it? 2026. Nope. Oh, March. When was it? When was it? Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, here we go. All right, cool. So Wednesday, I made $10 on gold, right? Round about 1:30, right? Then at 4:15, I ended up taking this trade, which ended up becoming a loss. So I was down. Then I was like, fuck, okay, since I'm down, I need to be able to, make this money back, at least half of it, right? So I can just be below drawdown. And then I made this buy trade, another one. Then I made $43 there. Right. So I made $10, lost 75, then made $43, which when you look at it from the month, let me say from the month of March up until today, I'm down $7.14, which when you take that amount minus my initial starting balance, it will give you 9,992 and 84 cents. Oh, so yeah, man, that's currently what I'm looking at. And a few setups that I would say that I am watching is this setup, right? There's Great British Pound, not Great British Pound, USD JPY. We had these nice selling. We're now just coming back to, if we can close below this white line, I'm placing my sells all the way back down just up until that point again. Great British Pound USD, I'll be looking for sells on Great British Pound USD temporarily. However, on a daily time frame, we're bullish, right? We just come down here, come down there, and then go up there. Gold, as you saw with the headline, they say that gold is looking bullish. Um, I'm not yet quite convinced. I would like gold to go above this area over here, right? Above this area, close over here. Then I'd be like, okay, we're bullish. Because currently we're in this blue trend line, but we broke this blue trend line and we haven't closed inside of it. Yeah, because we're struggling to actually stay within it. All right, that's called Nasdaq. Nasdaq on a daily time frame. I'm still looking for sells on Nasdaq daily time frame. US 30. Looking for sells as well. Briefly, we could pull up. Hit here, retest, come back down there, and then break down further. But it still sells. BTC daily time frame. We are in this trend as well as this trend. So we hit both times. We hit there, rejected, hit there, rejected. Both times we read here, we went up, went up. However, we haven't touched this red side. We haven't touched this area over here. So I'm looking at maybe a little bullish to about 72,000, then come down, break this trend line, retest 70, come down at 68, and then push back up. So I would say daily, um, neutral on Bitcoin. Weekly, however, I'm buying. I'm buying. 4 hourly on Bitcoin, I'm selling. And then US 30, daily, neutral. 4 hours, I'm bullish. Weekly, I'm bearish. Same thing for Nasdaq. Gold daily time frame, I'm currently neutral because based on a daily time frame, every time we've reached this area historically, we've always pushed up, right? But this time we came down with a lot of momentum. Well, this is different from here. We came down with a lot of momentum. We took out all these lows here and closed above it. So I'm looking for a retest. I'm looking for something like this, retest over here, go up, retest. Once we close in this trend but close above it at 47, then we can go up. Yeah, well, that's my analysis for gold. So 4 hourly, I am bullish. Daily, I'm bullish. Weekly, I'm bullish. Great British Pound USD, daily, I'm bearish. 4 hourly, I'm bearish as well, right? Bearish. Looking at that, we gotta come down, retest this area, and then break out. So 4 hourly bearish, daily bearish. However, weekly I'm bullish because weekly this is what we're looking like. Weekly we're bullish. So and then USD JPY I'm bearish. Daily I'm bearish. Weekly I'm bearish. 4 hourly I'm bullish. Right? We're just taking out these previous liquidity, not liquidity, this fair value gap, right? There's an imbalance there, basically. Not a fair value gap, an imbalance. Oh, it's the same thing. Fair value gap imbalance. So there's a imbalance, right? So we kind of fill that imbalance because there's nothing but sells. Now there's going to be nothing but buys. Once we filled in and closed below this resistance area, then I can focus on the sells. Even if we go up, it's fine. I'm still looking for sells. So bearish, right? Bullish, bullish, bearish, bearish, bullish. So yeah, that's currently it on my side. So it's your boy, He That Trades.
What's the story? Are you not happy, or you're only half happy, or
Still to be happy about.
you're up 2-0?
Job's not finished. Job finished? I don't think so.